What is up people? Hello and welcome back to my another fun video. I'm Simran and today's video is all about tech. I'll be unboxing and reviewing Wings Phantom earbuds, and Wings company basically makes gaming earphones, and the model which I have with me is Wings Phantom. I bought this from Amazon for rupees 2499 and it is also available on Flipkart. You guys can check it out. All the links are mentioned in the description.
You want me bleeding on the floor for you, but I fell free the second that you left the room. I'm taking back my life. All you did was use it. You break it, you lose it.
First, let's take a closer look at the box. So here on the top we have Wings branding and the model name called Phantom, and there's one line which says truly wireless earbuds. On the right side we have Wings branding, and at the back we have all the details about this product and their tagline which says time to flaunt it, and the price is also mentioned over here, and the price is 4999. And again on the right side we have all the key features of this product. And guys, I know there is no fun looking at the box, but the great fun is looking what's inside this. So this is what it looks like inside the box. We'll talk about them later in this video, but first let's see what else we have inside this box. So look at this. This is what you get inside the box. So you have extra ear tips. You can use them according to your comfort. Then we get is C-type charging cable, and the cable seems pretty smaller in length but the quality looks good, so you guys can use it. And then we have is manual, and the manual is pretty detailed manual, so you won't face any problem while connecting with your phone. Then we get is 1 year warranty card. Let's keep them aside and talk about this. First we talk about our charging case. So this is charging case, and look at the design. This is how it looks. I love this design, They have designed it keeping gaming accessories in their mind, and they have done a really good job. And here on the top we get Wings branding, and these are battery indication lights. And at the back you get type C charging port so that you can charge your charging case. And guys, this charging case gives us 20-hour backup after every single charge, which is good, and it means that you can charge your earbuds for at least 3 to 4 times. Isn't it great? And let's open it. So look at this. And to make these lights look like an eye of an anime character called Batman. You guys can compare it, right? And guys, inside this box you get L and R. This means left and right. It is for our good so that we can easily identify our earbuds. And now let's talk about our earbuds. So, whoa guys, look at this. You won't believe this is really very light in weight, and look at them. These looks really cute. So first we'll talk about one single earbud. So here you get on the top Wings branding, and these two white lines are indicator lights, and at the bottom you get 3 holes. These holes support MEMS mic technology for crystal clear voice calls and in-game chat. And guys, these 2 golden dots are charging points. They are water and sweat proof. This is the best part. And guys, you can use single earbud at a time. There won't be any problem while using it. And you can use these earbuds for at least 3.5 hours after every single charge. And let's put them inside the case. So let's open it and put them back inside the case. So look at this. It looks crazy, right? And they won't fall because of the magnet inside them. They fit perfectly inside this case. Look at Now let's connect it with our phone, and connecting with your phone is really very easy. First you need to open your charging case and take your phone, turn your phone's Bluetooth on and look for Wings Phantom and click on it, and there you go. Your phone is connected within seconds. Let's put them on and look for them. Look at them guys, they fit perfectly and this is how you wear them and they look incredible guys. Let's check the sound quality. Here I am playing the music. Whoa guys, the sound quality is amazing, you won't believe me. The bass is really good and it is perfectly designed for gamers. So it's really amazing, and if you are non-gamer you can use them because I am also a non-gamer and still using this, and they are really amazing. These earbuds also support touch control, so let's check them out. Single tap on your left earbud for volume down. Let's see. And it works. Single tap on your right earbud for volume up and look at this. And it goes up. And guys, for playing and pausing your music or for receiving or hanging up on calls, you need to double tap on any of your earbuds. Let's check that out. So my video is paused over here. Let's try to play it. And this works perfectly. And guys, for the next option you need to triple tap on your right earbud. So 1, 2, 3 and there we go. And guys, for the previous option you need to triple tap on your left earbud. 1, 2, 3 and there we go. It works perfectly. Guys, the best part of these earbuds are they provide us two modes. One is music mode, which is default mode, and another one is gaming mode. For that you need to take your right earbud and press on this Wink logo for 3 seconds and there you go. This is how it looks. These are breathing lights when they are in gaming mode and they look incredibly great. And when you wear them at night, they look amazing. And this is how it looks when they are in gaming mode. And guys, to turn on your Google Assistant, you need to hold your left earbud for 3 seconds and there we go. This is how it works. And this is working perfectly. Guys, sound quality is really amazing, bass is incredibly great and looks are also stunning, and I am loving it guys, and you should go for it if your budget is 2.5k, and I am highly recommending you to purchase these earbuds. They look really great, and guys, buying gaming earphones for 2.5k is really great deal. You should definitely go for it. And guys, this is all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you want me to give shout out to you, for that you need to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and comment down below done, and I'm gonna give shout out to you in my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments and share this video with all your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.